Hello everyone! If you're looking for the best underwater drones for your next aquatic adventure, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 underwater drones available on the market today that offer the best performance, features, and price points. From budget-friendly drones that let you explore the depths of the ocean to advanced drones that come with 4K cameras, we've got you covered. So stay tuned as we take a closer look at the best underwater drones you can buy this year. Number 5. Chasing Dory Underwater Drone Set. The Chasing Dory Underwater Drone Set is an amazing tool for underwater exploration and photography. This drone is incredibly portable, weighing only 2.4 pounds and easily fitting into a backpack for convenience. It boasts excellent performance with a 1080p f/1.6 lens camera and 45-degree tilt to capture beautiful images. The Bluetooth remote control allows for easy control of the drone, and the 2*250 lumens floodlights help illuminate the underwater environment. Plus, the app allows for easy sharing of photos and videos with one click and even offers 19 image filters for perfecting images. With a runtime of 1 hour, this underwater drone set is perfect for anyone looking to capture the beauty of the underwater world. Number 4. PowerVision Powerray Wizard Underwater Drone. The PowerVision Powerray Wizard Underwater Drone is an amazing tool for exploring the depths of the ocean, diving, and boating. With its 4K Ultra HD video camera, you can capture stunning photos and videos of marine life and underwater landscapes. The remote control makes piloting the Powerray drone simple and intuitive, even for beginners. It can dive as deep as 98 feet below the surface, allowing you to explore deep waters with ease. You can even share your underwater adventures with the world in real time, thanks to its live stream capability. The Powerray is also versatile, perfect for diving, snorkeling, boating, and fishing. Plus, it comes with some advanced features, such as a fish finding function and a VR headset option to truly enhance your underwater experience. All in all, the Powerray is a great tool for any water-based adventure. Number 3. Chasing Gladius Mini Underwater Drone. The Chasing Gladius Mini Underwater Drone is the perfect device for capturing stunning 4K UHD underwater footage with its 12MP camera and adjustable plus or minus 45 degrees attitude. With the advanced remote control, you can dive down to depths of 330 feet and zip through the water at an impressive speed of 2 meters per second. Not only that, but you can also enjoy underwater live streaming, one-click sharing, and even VR gaming experiences with a Wi-Fi connection and HDMI support. This amazing device comes with a backpack, bobbin winder, and waterproof wipe, making it the perfect companion for all your underwater adventures. Number 2. Fifish v-evo 4K 60 FPS Underwater Drone. The Fifish v-evo 4K 60 FPS underwater RAW robot is an impressive piece of technology that allows you to explore the depths of the sea with ease. The upgraded 4K 60 FPS camera system ensures professional-level shots with enhanced smoothness, while the 360 degrees omnidirectional mobility feature gives you total freedom in underwater environments. The AI Vision Lock feature allows you to keep your subjects in focus with precision, and the 5,000 ultra-bright lumens LED lights make it easy to explore the depths of the sea, even in dark and turbid environments. All in all, this is an impressive product that any avid underwater explorer should check out. Number 1. Geneinno Underwater Drone Camera. The Geneinno Underwater Drone Camera 4K UHD ROV is a great tool for underwater exploration, yachting, and education. Its 6 thrusters provide 360 degrees attitude control, allowing for smooth and accurate navigation. The included wireless transmitter uses a 2.4 GHz frequency to connect to smart devices and provide a live video feed, so you can view your underwater journey in real time. The 4K 30fps camera captures stunning footage, while the 160 degrees wide-angle lens ensures you don't miss a thing. The Titan also has a military-level waterproof rating, meaning it can withstand 1.5 MPa pressure and protect it from underwater obstacles. The hardshell suitcase makes it easy to take along on your travels and ensures it can withstand rough handling when being transported. All in all, the Geneinno Underwater Drone Camera 4K UHD ROV is a great tool for underwater exploration, yachting, and education.